I used to see you fuck in the shade of the trees, from the lights and the leaves to the bites on your knees. Kill the universe, might get a sight of the breeze. You're not psychic, you're free.
Hey guys, it's your boy Keeliston here, back with another video. Today we're doing a game of Pembroke car review video. Let me select the job real quick. So I actually show you money for driving. So again, we're going to be doing a Pembroke car review video. I know you guys want a bus review video. That is coming. I want to do cars too, alright? Alright? There's so many cars in this game. Way more cars than buses, and I want to do cars. Alright? I want to do more cars, review more cars, before I get back into doing buses. So, honestly, I will be doing a Greenville bus route video on Wednesday. Reason is, I'm off on Wednesday. I'm not working. So I'll have more time to be able to do it. You know what I mean? The video will be able to be longer, and I just, you know, because these videos due to, like, today I'm working today, you know, I can just pump out more videos on Wednesday, so I can do more of the bus videos on Wednesday, simply because I'm not working. So a bus video is not coming today, but Wednesday for sure. I have two bus videos, one for Pembroke Pines, me using the brand new the bus review video for Pembroke Pines, the Bluebird. I already did that video. I already have. In fact, I'm gonna show you guys. I already have the 2009 A3RE, that other bus. I already have it. It's just waiting to be used. Also, I'm gonna be doing a Greenville bus route video, and that'll be a lot more interesting because the map is a little bit bigger, and a lot bigger. It's just there's more spots you can go to that a bus can go into in the game. So. Besides the point, that's not the point though. So here's the vehicle that we are reviewing. It's a SUV. It's in the SUV class. Well, it is an SUV, not an SUV class. This is the 2020 Ford Explorer, and I will tell you right now, it looks amazing. This vehicle is also expensive. Even now, when this vehicle first came out, now this vehicle had like a price change. If you guys don't know. When this update first came out, this vehicle was $100,000. They said I guess now you can buy one in America. For that reason, I don't know. I don't know. For some reason they're selling it. I guess it's selling in America or something. I don't know. But I don't know. All I know is they had a significant price drop from $100,000 to $54,000. So that's the price drop. That's how much this vehicle costs. $54,000. And here it is. A nice sedan. Fits about 4 people, has lots of trunk space, good on gas mileage, reliable. So let's get in this thing. So, here's the turning signals look like. We got one on the mirror, front and the back. Here's what the tail lights look like and the lights look like. Pretty cool, huh? Let's drive this thing around so you guys can get a better experience. I will also be doing a review of 2 other cars. If you guys don't know, yesterday they added 2 new cars to the game, so I will be reviewing those as well. I just wanted to review this vehicle first. There goes the bus.
Every day we wanted everything. Mama said, don't give up. It's a little complicated, all tied up. No more love, and I'd hate
see where he lives. Oh, he lives. Dang, well. So yes, dang. So this thing drives very well. And I really hope you guys like it. Alright, so final thoughts. If you get this game, if you get this car in this game, what are you getting for like 54 grand? What are you getting? You're getting a nice looking SUV that drives very well, good in gas mileage, has excellent braking, and you're just getting an all-around amazing vehicle. And I think if you have the money in the game, definitely pick it up. It's a great vehicle. Um, it's just amazing. I like this. I think this is one of the best SUVs in the game. Period. And I really do think it is one of the best SUVs in the entire game. And I hope you do that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. Not already. If you guys hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Also, so that I'm sorry, it's early. So make sure you guys comment on my videos and drop a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video.